everybody, it's Artist King here, back with another video. Hope you guys are doing good. I'm filming this on the day before Labor Day, which for you guys who live in the US, we have a long weekend. Tomorrow is a holiday, so I'm doing this video, but you probably won't see it till next week. So I hope you guys, when you see this video, that you have had a good holiday. So today I just wanted to give out some information. The video is not long enough for me to give any kind of a talk. So if you want to see any of my other artwork, my website is artbyking.net. If you want to check me on TikTok and Instagram, it's theartistking03. Both channels have the same name. You'll see like shorter versions of some of my older videos or newer videos. If you don't want to watch the long ones that I post on YouTube, you can see shorter versions of what I do. So if you want to subscribe to those two different platforms, you can. Okay, but shout out to my new subscribers. Appreciate you guys so much. Even the people who watch and don't subscribe, hey, I'm okay with that. So if you like this particular video, just go ahead and hit that like button. That helps YouTube to show it to more people like you who might like my videos. So please don't forget to like my videos. I always appreciate the comments, even the bad ones. The other day I got a really bad one and I forgot. So shout out to that person who sent that bad comment. Appreciate it. And if you like the content of this whole channel, subscribe. Tuesdays and Saturdays you'll see a new video that I post every Tuesday and every Saturday. So do not forget to do that. Check out my website where you can see different art. You're not going to see collage art there. That's why I paint. I don't do the paint because they take a long time. And I know you guys probably don't want to watch no long 20-30 minute video. So you can see some of the work that I've done on my website. And you can also purchase something there if you want to. So check out TikTok, check out Instagram. That's as far as I'm going to go with the social platforms, because I want you guys to be able to see what I do. So anyway, I hope you guys are doing well today. Whatever day you watch this video, I hope you are having a fabulous day. And maybe the next video I have might be a bit longer than this one, and I'll be able to talk about some of the things that have been on my mind. So thank you guys, new subscribers, old subscribers, everybody. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time. Okay guys, bye now.